Hi, Ilkaby. My name is Maria Lees, and I am a content creator and blog manager for entrepreneurial women that are starting businesses to support and inspire other women. And I found your business through the Boss Moms Facebook page and decided to check out your website. And I think that what you are doing with the Liberated Birth Movement is incredible and so needed. I personally just had my first child. She's 6 weeks old, my little daughter. So I am very fresh off the pregnancy and childbirth journey, and I'm still experiencing that postpartum time. And so I know firsthand how helpful it is when you have really good support in your life to help guide you through that pregnancy, childbirth, and postpartum journey. And so what you're doing is absolutely incredible, and more women need to know about the services that you offer. As I was looking at your website, I noticed that you do not have a business blog set up. And I wanted to share with you just what an incredible tool adding a blog to your business can be in terms of growing your business and increasing traffic to your website. When women are pregnant, as you know, we are Googling everything, right? We're looking up how to eat well for pregnancy. We're looking up all the different ways that you can have a baby, childbirth, postpartum time, you name it. We're looking it up. We're Googling it. What I would like to suggest for you is to set up a blog for your business where you are creating content that answers some of those questions that women are already researching. Things like how to find the right care provider, how to talk to your partner about the childbirth that you want, how to plan for postpartum time, what supplies do you need for postpartum time, things like that, things that people are researching anyway. And if we add a blog to your website, when they are Googling those questions and doing that research, they're going to end up on your website reading your content, and consequently will have the opportunity to learn about your mentorship groups and the services that you offer. Adding a blog to your business is going to increase the number of people that are going to see your website, learn about your services, and ultimately will grow the number of clients that you have the opportunity to work with. I would love to schedule a call with you to talk in a little bit more detail about what it could look like to add a blog to your business website.